Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This is Jack. Today I'd like to show you my American Standard steam boiler. Still in use today, still running strong. Talked to many plumbers. They said American Standard stopped making residential boilers in the early 70s. So my guess is this boiler has been in this house since the 60s. I live in Northeast Pennsylvania, and this thing is a bear. It is a 96,000 BTU output natural gas steam boiler made by American Standard. If you've never seen one in operation, this is one right here. Has an automatic fill, which is not wired. Well, it's wired, but if you follow the wires, they're dead-ended. They don't do anything. So to fill it, I would just push this little button right here, and that fills it. I keep a little bucket right here. I can drain off a little bit just till it starts running clear. Shut that off. Come up here to this automatic fill. It's about good right there. This is there's a series number, I don't know if you could see it, 78NSF-J6. 96,000 BTU output, natural gas, steam square feet 300, water millibars 83.9. This is a millivolt system. The only electricity that it uses to fire are the two batteries in the thermostat. Here, I'll pull off the cover. Couple of cobwebs in here. It's been maintained very well over the years. It's got a couple tags over here. I can see some things were replaced. Back in 94, there was some work done. Back in 92, there was some work done. There's a bunch of stickers. So I'm sure there's been work done over the years. There it is, 50-year-old plus steam boiler. Still going strong, Northeast Pennsylvania. American Standard. Great unit. Thanks, guys.